Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana.
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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana.
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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
He Krishna Madhusudana, He Krishna Madhusudana,
He Krishna Madhusudana, He Krishna Madhusudana,
He Krishna Madhusudana, He Krishna Madhusudana,
He Krishna Madhusudana, He Krishna Madhusudana.
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana,
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana.
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana,
Keshava Madhava, He Krishna Madhusudana.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Vasudev Sutam Devam, Kansa Charunamardhanam, Devaki Paramanandam, Krishna Vande Jagat Guram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama
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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगत पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
हरे रामा 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 हरे हरे
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
हरे रामा 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 हरे हरे
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
हरे कृष्णा Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama
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 Shri Krishna Sharanam Mama Shri Krishna
Good evening, everyone. Just wanted to confirm if you can confirm, if you can hear us and see us, so we can start with the session. Many times happens that something goes wrong and you can't hear us. Good evening, Parag, Sonia, Suresh ji, Kuldeep ji, Abhilash, Tapasya. If you are online, say hello. Those who have missed, all good. We got the green signal from Parag today. All clear, Tapasya. Welcome to the evening session. I am happy to announce that the Sun Salutation Challenge, Surya Namaskar Challenge, for 21 days has finally finished today. I got wonderful messages from participant, and I'm going to announce the result very soon. I'm trying to put together the list of all the participants, as in a data sheet, how many joined, not a particular person wise, but how many joined, how many people did how many days. And as promised, the top 3 contenders are going to get a gift personally from me. So once I declare the results, I am going to ship them their gift onto their address, and the gift will be the rarest books on self-development, which is not easily available. So they will get beautiful book. 3 people will get 3 different books as a gift, rare book, and I will announce those results very soon. Good evening, Preeti, Surekha, Ankit, Ross, Meenakshi, Parag, good evening. So the books will be the gift for the 3 topmost contender. The 3 people will be chosen on the basis of who were continued for most of the days, what is the target they have achieved in terms of doing Surya Namaskar. So the minimum was 21, or as per the fitness, and also it will depend if they have shared their experience. So there is a criteria to get the gifts. So if you were participant, I would request you to send me your experience, like what challenges did you face, how you are feeling, how you were 21 days before. Even if you have broken the continuity, what was the reason? Anything related to that particular activity. Any stories, like I got 7-8 messages today telling how beautiful it was when kids started doing with them. Most of the people experienced that the kids started doing Surya Namaskar with them. There is nothing better than kids setting a good example for our kids. Also, not to miss the blog which is done by Asha Nair in last week, in which she has describes her beautiful story of the 4 weeks lockdown. I shared that blog on Facebook and on WhatsApp if you had seen. So it shows how families are going through this lockdown, and it was a beautiful blog too. Also she mentioned about our evening sessions and how those helped, and even shared a photo of their kids doing. What more we can ask when you see such a beautiful positive thing happening in our community? So I would request you to share your experiences. If you can't write a blog, just write some book, diary, or you can write me a message. How was your experience? Not particularly with the Surya Namaskar, also the evening session. Even you can write something about the lockdown, how it has affected you and everything. So let the people read your story. Let the people hear your story. Make your impact by sharing your positive story. That is the service for us to all the community. We start our today's session. Keep your back straight. Those who are joining first time, there are 2 simple principles or rules. Create no resistance for any unpleasant sensation or any noise. Just accept it as it if you are chosen. and give your 100%. Pavanji, Divyaji, Namaste. Keep your eyes closed. Take long and deep breathing. We are going to take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take one more long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Bring your mind and body in the present moment. Become aware of the sound around you. Become aware of silence surrounding you. Become aware of touch of your clothes. Anchoring our mind into the present moment. Feeling all the body movements and the touch and the feel of our hand. Take your neck towards left as much as possible. As much as possible. Put your right palm onto your right cheek. Press your right cheek onto the palm. Feeling the touch of your palm to your cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down towards right. Feel the movement of your hand. Press your cheek onto your palm. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Again, now on the front forehead. 1, 2. Press your forehead onto your palm. 3, 4. Feel the touch and the sensation. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly again going down. Feel the movement. Left hand. Feel the movement of hand. Anchor your mind into present moment by feeling all the movement, touch and sensation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Turning towards right as much as possible. left palm onto your cheek, pushing your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly, hand going down. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Become aware of the touch, become aware of the thoughts, become aware of everything happening into your mind and body. 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. One more last time. Going left. Go as much as possible. Once fully stretched, then put your right palm on right cheek. Press it onto your cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Both the hand on the forehead. Feel the touch of your hand palm onto your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Oh, sorry, back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you are doing it, just become aware of all the thoughts going into your head without judging them, without analyzing them. Just become aware what thoughts are going into my mind and coming out of my mind. Neck rotation. Take your chin to your chest, neck going up. Feel the rotation, only half rotation, not the full rotation. Going into center, again coming back. Vishuddhi chakra, trying to relax the muscle, stretching the veins so the energy and blood can flow easily. 4 to 5 times. Going up again. Slowly, slowly going up and down. Only half circle. One more last time. Now shoulder, both the palm onto your knee, making 360-degree circle on the knee and with the shoulder, so that your shoulder blade can touch each other. Like this. Up. When the shoulder going back, make sure your shoulder blades touching each other. If you know the asana, just keep your eyes closed. Become aware of all the thoughts in your head. Become aware of the present moment. Become aware of all the movement of bodies. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now, Anahata Chakra, both the hand, press yourself back as much as possible, feel the stretch. onto your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for Manipuraka Chakra, we go down to the knee and come back. Feel the stretch. Center and come back. Then right knee and come back. Again to left knee and come back. Right center and come back. Right and come back. Now we'll do full circle from left, center, right, going back, again coming down. Feel the whole rotation. Anchor your mind into present. Become aware of all the noise, all the talk in your head. Watch your body and mind as a third person. Very good. Feel the rotations. Feel the clothes. Feel the sensation on your face. Don't judge, don't analyze. Just become witness. Going up, opposite. Back. Very good. Now open your left leg. Put your right leg onto your left leg and press your knee to your chest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Now opposite leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Going up, going down. Which is chakra this one is? Which chakra is this one? Swadhisthana chakra deals with pleasure. The second last one from the bottom. Very good. Up, down. Become aware what is happening in this present moment. Even some thoughts are going in your mind. Just become aware what thought is going in my mind. So the whole purpose of Kriya is to learn to be in present. Now baby, your favorite pose, rocking baby pose. See where the stretch is coming. Mooladhara chakra. Very good. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा. Kiss your baby. Very good. Now opposite leg for the twins baby. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा. Feel the stretch. Where is the, what is happening now? The tailbone, Mooladhara chakra getting activated. Very good. Let the energy flow. Kiss your baby. Very good. The last one is butterfly pose. In butterfly, take your knees as up as possible. Up, 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 up. That's number one, position number one. Go down, 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 down. As much as possible, go down, keep your back straight. Down, 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 down. That's number two. Between number one and two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This will make your foundation strong. Your backbone, tailbone, your hips, all will become very flexible. So you can sit for longer hour. Very good. Up, down, 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 up, down. Relax. Now relax your legs like this. Very good. Now I will give you 3 minutes break so that you can stretch your legs and come back. If you want to drink some water, drink some water. Just 3 minute break so that what we'll do then, we'll do pranayam and then we'll do meditation. If you want to dim the light, you can dim the light. Sit in a comfortable position. Make 1 or 2 rounds like this. Drink some water and come back in 3 minutes. Alright, we are back. Hope you are back too. We'll do some pranayam. First, we'll do Bhastrika. Then, we'll do Kapal Bharti. 3 rounds. Plus, then we'll do Anulom Vilom, followed by the meditation. So, now keep your back straight. Both the hands beside your shoulder. In Bhastrika, we only inhale through nose, exhale through nose, mouth close. And we forcefully inhale the oxygen, we forcefully take out our carbon dioxide. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and out, in, 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 out, out, in, 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 out, relax. Keep your attention on your palm. Become aware of a sensation on your palm, tingling sensation, flow of blood. Just become aware of all the sensation. One more time. Put the hand beside your shoulder. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, 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 in, out. In, out, 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 out, in, out, in, out, relax. Become aware sensation on your palm. Become aware the silence surrounding you. One more last time. Breathe in, out, 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 relax. Eyes closed, back straight. Become aware of the present moment. Become aware of the divine music. Try to see the music going into your ear, playing into your head. Watch the entire journey of music coming from its source and getting into your head and playing into your head. Alternate nostril. No, sorry, we'll do Kapalbhati first. Exhaling through stomach. Start. Relax. Only exhale, do not inhale. Throw all the carbon dioxide out. One more time, start again. Relax. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the blissfulness inside you. Become aware of thoughts. See if you have thoughts have increased or decreased. Become aware of all the sensation in your body, present or unpleasant, without judging them. One more last time. Start. Only exhale. Relax. Become aware of the silence. Become aware of this present moment. Become aware of your breath going in and coming out in this silent moment. Alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long deep breathing. Then close your other nostril with your pinky finger and exhale through right nostril. Breathe in. Breathe out with the opposite nostril. Breathe in and out from alternate nostril. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. You can put 3 fingers like this and also do in and out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Keep long and deep breath in. breathe out. Long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breath in, breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Today we are going to do chanting meditation. If you want to sit in a comfortable place, sit in a comfortable place. Please dim the lights if you can. And once the chanting started, give your 100% in the chanting. Sit, relax, do nothing. Sit, relax, do nothing. Keep your eyes closed only. Do nothing, just sit, relax. Do nothing, keep your eyes closed, go into deep silence. योगरतो वा भोगरतो वा संगरतो वा संगविना यस्य ब्राह्मणे रमते चित्ता यस्य ब्राह्मणे रमते चित्ता नंदति नंदति नंदठेवा नंदति नंदति नंदठेवा सत्संगत्वे निसंगत्वं निसंगत्वे निर्मोहत्वम् निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वम् निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलतत्वम् निश्चलतत्वे जीवन मुक्ति निश्चलतत्वे जीवन मुक्ति पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम् इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे इह संसारे बहुदुष्टारे कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारी कृपया पारे पाहि मुरारी भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते गोविन्दं भज मूढमते. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. With long deep breathing, we'll chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel blissful, you may open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining today. I wanted to actually explain the meaning of this bhajan, but it's already 7:32, so some other time. It has a beautiful meaning. If you are online, do say hello so I can respond you back, so I know who all did session today. As I mentioned in the beginning, we'll publish the result of Surya Namaskar Sun Salutation very soon. Also, we'll distribute 3 prizes to the top 3 winners, and result will be announced soon. Hello, thank you Anu, thank you Preeti, Surekha, thank you. I'm going to play a bhajan, and it's one of the strongest bhajan from Adi Shankaracharya. So we'll listen to that and then we'll end the session. But I am online for next 10 minutes, so if you want to ask anything or if you want to share experience, whether it's a Surya Namaskar challenge, whether it's our session, whether anything in day-to-day life, you can share. And once the bhajan is finished, then our session is finished. But session is still on till the bhajan finish. I am reading your all comments and I will also answer to your comments. Let's recite what Adi Shankaracharya has a beautiful gift given to us. The meaning of that is, I am not the body, I am not even the mind, I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. But Adi Shankaracharya goes many steps ahead, says, I am not the eyes, I am not the smell, I am not the touch, I am not the feel, I am not the ego. He has gone into the depth of who I am not, and we can listen to him in this beautiful bhajan. I am reading your comment and will write you.
न च श्रोतजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिव च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायु न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशा न वा पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मे द्वेषरागो न मे लोभमोहो मदो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावा न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखम् न मन्त्रो न तीर्थ न वेदा न यज्ञा अहं भोजनैवं न भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मृत्युर्न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदा पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मा न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुर्व्याप सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणाम् न च सङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न बन्धः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्